Thai peanut spaghetti squash, vegan, low sodium. Let's go. So we're going to start with our spaghetti squash. We're going to cut it in half. We're going to take out the middle parts like a pumpkin, right? And like the seeds and shit. And then we're going to do a little pepper, a little garlic powder, a little onion powder. We're going to flip it over. We're going to put it in a 420-degree oven for about 40 minutes, flipping halfway. Then when it comes out, look, you just like smoosh it with a fork. You just smoosh it and it makes noodles. And I just still think it's the coolest thing every time I do it. And then we're going to saute down some vegetables while that's going. Got a little sesame oil. We got whatever vegetables. Go rogue. You know what I mean? We got broccoli. We got red pepper. We got celery. We got carrots. We got onions. And then I'm going to add some seasoning. I'm just going to do like probably about a half a teaspoon each of black pepper and red pepper, chili flakes, and then like a quarter of a teaspoon of ginger, ground ginger. Just saute it down. And then add some garlic towards the end, a couple tablespoons, like 2. And I got this, you guys. This vegan, like low sodium Thai peanut sauce is so good. So I used probably about like a quarter of it. And then I added my spaghetti squash. Then I added a quarter more. So I used like half the bottle. And it is beautiful. I didn't usually put like peanuts on top, right? But I don't just like eat peanuts. So I don't have those laying around, but I added some sunflower seeds because that's fun. A little green onion, right? Look at how beautiful. It's so beautiful. And my nails match. Oh, we did it. Valentine's Day, right? It's so good. I just love spaghetti squash and place of noodles, but you could obviously do like rice noodles or something. I really like the spiciness with the red pepper chili flakes. That brings a little bit of fire. If you want to get crazy, you can add a little knob of vegan butter at the end for like creaminess. Oh, 10 out of 10. Full written recipe linked below. Subscribe.
His eyes kissing while he waits for the full moon above. Oh, ivory dove, passionate love. Listening closely, positioning my intuition for her nutrition and ambition. Nutrition and ambition, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning through the skies in the morning, get up. Hey, like when you rise in the morning, rub your eyes in the morning.